इतना कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है। एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends and viewers who have joined us today for our Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. The entire team of Franchise India welcomes each one of you to the digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you. If I talk about Franchise India, is Asia's largest integrated franchise solution company, where our aim and objective is to give maximum business opportunities, franchisee solutions, and suggestions to each and every potential business buyer, so that they take the correct and the complete understanding about the business model and take the right and conscious decision of selecting the best franchisee for themselves and for their families. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us, because we have helped more than 5,000 international and national brands to expand their business with our 80 plus offices. And this is just a digital representation of the business opportunity which we have got for you. We do not endorse any particular brand. With this introduction, may I welcome and invite Mr. Arnab Sinha, who's representing ChemDry. Yes, that's the business opportunity which we have got for you. ChemDry, it's world's largest surface cleaning brand. And today, Mr. Arnab Sinha will be talking about this opportunity which he has got for us. If I give a background about Arnab Sinha, he's a successful entrepreneur. He's a founder at a very successful laundry chain, Uclean. And today he'll be sharing his insights about this particular opportunity which he has got for us. Thank you so much, Arnab, for sparing time today from your busy schedule and joining us for this webinar. Now, without taking further time, may I invite you to have the presentation from your side so that we understand the end-to-end business model. Thank you so much. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Archana, and thank you so much to the entire team at Franchise India for providing me with this wonderful opportunity to talk about ChemDry. I'll just share the presentation. I hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes, we can see that. Thank you so much.
So once again, a very warm welcome to all the people who have joined us today. My name is Arunab, and I am the founder of Uclean. Uclean is India's largest laundry and dry cleaning chain. And we have very recently in 2019 partnered with ChemDry. ChemDry, for those who know, is the world's largest surface cleaning company and a brand with a legacy which is more than 40 years old. So the reason why we partnered with ChemDry was while we were running Uclean and we were offering laundry and dry cleaning solutions to our customers across more than 65 cities of India, what we noticed is that a lot of these customers, they also started reaching out to us for other cleaning services. So they would start typically with the laundry service or with the dry cleaning service. They would use Uclean on multiple occasions. And thereafter, once they were satisfied, once they were delighted with Uclean, they would also start reaching out to the team members and to our Uclean franchise partners, requesting them to also offer other kind of cleaning services like carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, full home deep cleaning. And as the demand from across India grew, and as our franchise partners started sharing feedback that they're getting a lot of demand for these complementing cleaning services, that's when we started doing our own research. And we realized that the largest brand in the world, and I would say the oldest brand in the world with a very strong legacy, which specializes in surface cleaning, is ChemDry. So that's when we reached out to them. They liked the Uclean story. They liked how Uclean had grown from year to year. And that's when they decided that Uclean would be the right partner to launch ChemDry in India. And that's when they awarded the master franchise for entire India to Uclean Group. So now when I talk about the presentation, I have structured the presentation into multiple parts. So we would first off start by talking about the Uclean Group. Then we will talk about ChemDry, also help you understand why ChemDry is so special and what is the reason why ChemDry today has more than 5,000 franchisees globally. Then I'll talk about the India franchise model in particular and why ChemDry is what I call a zero business. And thereafter, we would conclude with a couple of videos where you will get some more understanding about how ChemDry franchising works and what is the feedback of franchisees from across the world. And then I'll throw the floor open for any questions that anyone might have. So talking about Uclean, we are a 4.5 years old company. We started our journey in January 2017 from Delhi NCR. And then over the last 4.5 years, mainly through the franchising route, we have become the largest laundry and dry cleaning chain in India, with more than 250 franchisees across 67 cities of the country. In fact, we have also started our international expansion, and we already have an outlet in Kathmandu in Nepal. And we are also in the process of debuting in Bangladesh as well as Sri Lanka. Uclean, in fact, today is amongst the 4 largest laundry chains in the world. And if you look at 2019 and 2020, Uclean was also India's fastest growing franchise brand across all sectors. We also specialize as a company where we partner with franchisees. We enable them, we equip them, and we empower them to run their own independent franchise business. While there are a lot of major achievements and major milestones that we have achieved in the last 4.5 years, a couple of milestones really stand out. So the first is obviously the partnership that we have forged with ChemDry, where we have the exclusive development rights for ChemDry for entire India. We have already started franchising. We have a good presence in Delhi NCR. We are present in Northeast India. We are present in Chennai. We are present in Kolkata. And we are now looking to aggressively develop the brand across the country through the franchising model. Now, the second big partnership that I would love to talk about is something that we did last year when we partnered with FedEx. FedEx, as you all know, is world's largest courier, logistics, and delivery company. And for the first time in their history, they've actually partnered with a startup to start what is called a co-franchising exercise. So today, any Uclean franchisee that is running successfully in any part of the country also gets the opportunity to start a FedEx franchisee within the existing setup. Another major achievement that I would love to talk about is if you look at our 4.5 years old history, we already have almost 25% of our franchise partners who have invested in more than 1 unit of Uclean. So they started with 1 unit of Uclean, they liked the results, they got their return in investment, and that's when they consciously took a decision to invest in a second unit. In fact, multiple franchise partners of Uclean have also invested in ChemDry and they're already reaping the benefits of partnering with the world's largest surface cleaning company. The last part before I move into the deeper presentation is that something that personally makes me very proud is that Uclean enjoys a rating of 4.4 on a scale of 5. And when you look at the laundry rating of other brands, or if you look at the laundry rating of the overall industry, you would see that the rating typically is anywhere between 3 to 3.5. So all this has been achieved mainly because of the commitment of our franchise partners and the strong support extended by the Uclean team. And this is the kind of customer delight commitment that we would also be expecting from any franchise partner of ChemDry. Now, when I talk about ChemDry, like I said before, ChemDry is the world's largest surface cleaning company. So what do I mean when I say surface cleaning? Surface can be anything. So the chair on which you are sitting right now is a surface. The ceiling right above your head is a surface. The floor on which the chair is kept is a surface, or the table that I'm sitting on, it is also a surface. So basically anything, your car is a surface, your building is a surface, your door is a surface. So anything where you have some area that is exposed is a surface, and ChemDry is the largest surface cleaning company in the world. They have been around since 1977, and they have been very recently acquired by Belfor Group. Belfor Group is the world's largest cleaning company. It's a $3.5 billion conglomerate, and they really liked what they saw when they met ChemDry team and the kind of proprietary chemicals and equipment that ChemDry has developed. And that's when a company as big as Belfor decided to acquire ChemDry and now work with ChemDry on building ChemDry across the world. So when I talk about ChemDry cleaning any surface, this is a listing of all the possible surfaces that ChemDry could potentially clean. But I would like to point out that this list is not comprehensive. So you can actually keep throwing any surface at us and we would be able to clean them and clean them to perfection with the power of ChemDry. So you talk about carpets, talk about area and oriental rugs, you talk about deep cleaning of floors, talk about commercial cleaning, upholstery cleaning, sanitization and disinfection, a service that is very hot at this point in time and something that I'm also going to cover in details in the next few slides. Stone cleaning, tiles cleaning, grout cleaning, leather cleaning and restoration, duct and chimney cleaning, granite countertops that you have in your kitchens, the VCT tiles that are becoming very popular in India, and even something as important and as essential as cleaning of water tanks. So because of their equipment, because of their chemical, and because of the expertise that ChemDry has developed over the last 40 years, ChemDry today has the capability and the credentials to clean any and every kind of surface. Now, what makes ChemDry so special? So I'll ask you, I'm very sure everyone sitting in the audience has got their carpet or sofa cleaned at some point in time in their life. Now, what happens when you offer a sofa cleaning and say you have an Eid coming and you decide that you want your carpet and your sofa absolutely sparkling clean before Eid? What would you do? You would typically find a sofa cleaner, a local guy who would come on a bicycle. He would come and clean your sofa or your carpet with your typical vacuum machine, and he would be using water. And once he has cleaned it, he would typically advise you that please don't use this sofa. अगले 48 घंटों के लिए हमारे सोफा पर भी मत बैठिए, कारपेट को मत यूज कीजिए, इसको ड्राई होने दीजिए. Very common in India across all households. You would see that the carpet cleaner or the sofa cleaner would be using water and would be advising you not to use the carpet or sofa for at least the next 24 to 48 hours because there is water. Now, what a lot of us do not realize is that while water is a very strong solvent and water is potentially the most important cleaning solution that is available in the world right now, it is also the biggest germinant. तो water क्या करता है, अगर एक surface पे water काफी time तक retain हो जाए, तो it would actually start leading to germs growth. And that is what exactly happens when your local sofa cleaner or carpet cleaner comes in and tries to clean your carpet with water. After 12 hours, after 16 hours, the germs actually start coming back because water actually helps the growth of the germs. But in ChemDry, we use 80% less water. So when you order a carpet cleaning or a sofa cleaning, you would realize that the amount of water that we are using is minuscule. And in fact, we will say that you can use your carpet or sofa within 2 hours. Within 2 hours, it will be completely dry. It will be completely fit to use. And how does that happen? This happens because ChemDry has developed a proprietary solution called hydrocarbon extraction. This is a patented technology. This is the technology that only ChemDry has access to, and they have a long 100-year patent on this technology. तो इस टेक्नोलॉजी से क्या होता है हाइड्रोकार्बन एक्सट्रैक्शन से कि बहुत हाई प्रेशर पर जो जर्म्स हैं, जो आपके पैथोजेंस हैं, जो एलर्जेंस हैं, वो कारपेट एंड सोफा से रिमूव हो जाते हैं एंड वाटर की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत रिड्यूस हो जाती है. So that is why within 2 hours, you're able to use your sofa, you're able to use your carpets, and hence we are able to eliminate germs with 99.9% efficacy. इसके अलावा, if you look at the history of ChemDry, and I would encourage all of you to go online and read about ChemDry, read about surface cleaning, read about sofa cleaning, you would realize that ChemDry holds the maximum number of patents and trademarks when it comes to the cleaning industry. And these are patents and trademarks that are taken for the chemicals and for the equipment. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि for the next 100 years, no other brand can copy this technology or copy the technology that ChemDry is using in their chemicals. I'll give you an example. India mein, especially when you talk about the tier 1 and even in tier 2 cities of India, keeping pets at home is becoming very fashionable. आप किसी भी घर चले जाइए, आपको वहां पर pet dog, pet cats बहुत commonly मिलते हैं. Now, one big problem with using pet dogs or having pet dogs and pet cats at home is that they tend to urinate on your sofa. They tend to shit on your sofa, on your carpet, on your chairs, and you would notice कि जब वो urinate करते हैं या when they do a potty on your sofa or your carpet, it leaves a stain behind. Not only stain, but there's also very strong smell. And this is very difficult to remove. You would have tried your local homemade chemicals या जो आपका Surf Excel वगैरह होता है. You would notice that it doesn't go away. ChemDry also produces this patented chemical called PURT, which is pet urine removal treatment, which removes the stain with 100% guarantee, and it also completely eliminates the odor. So this is just one example of the patented chemicals that ChemDry has been developing and for which it has a patent for the next 100 years. Now we come to the very important topic, something that everybody is talking about right now. Sanitization or disinfection. ये दो ऐसे terms हैं जो COVID के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा important हो गए हैं. Talk about a home, talk about a restaurant, a salon, a budget hotel, talk about a university, a preschool, everybody is talking about sanitization and disinfection. People are promoting, people are talking about how they are sanitizing their premises, how they are disinfecting their premises, and possibly sanitization and disinfection is the fastest growing business in the world at this point in time. But ChemDry के लिए sanitization and disinfection कोई नया business नहीं है. ChemDry as a company started producing patented sanitization and disinfection chemicals almost 25 years back. In fact, in the US, they have this sanitization expert seal, जहां पर लोग आकर ChemDry से training लेते हैं, ChemDry से chemicals लेते हैं, and they actually can give a certificate to the premises that they are sanitizing and disinfecting, saying that this kills a virus like COVID-19 with 99.9% efficacy. And when we talk about this chemical, it actually removes COVID virus with 99.9% efficacy from any kind of surface. आप high touch surface की बात करें, जैसे कि door knob हो गए, या आपका bed हो गया, जहां पर आप frequent contact में आते हैं. You talk about medium touch surfaces like electrical switches, जहां पर आप दिन में 10-12 बार switches को on off करते हैं. या आप low touch surfaces की बात करें like carpets and floors, ChemDry can sanitize any kind of surface with 99.9% efficacy. Very importantly, this is a very, very high margin business. So if you look at what is happening in India today, people are paying anywhere between 1 to 1.5 rupees per square feet to sanitize and disinfect their homes. I'm not even talking about B2B businesses, which are very large in size. बट आप घरों की बिजनेस की भी बात करेंगे तो 1 से 1.5 रुपए पर स्क्वायर फीट लोग ऑलरेडी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं ऑन सैनिटाइजिंग एंड डिसइंफेक्शन। इसमें जो खर्चा आता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कंजम्पशन ऑफ सैनिटाइजर्स और डिसइंफेक्टेंट्स इज लेस देन 20 पैसे पर स्क्वायर फीट, which makes it a very high margin business. Very importantly, when you compare, so India में आज के डेट पर आप देखोगे तो almost everyone is claiming that they are a sanitization expert. From your vegetable vendor to your local barber to your local cleaning service provider, everybody is claiming that they have the chemicals and the solutions to disinfect and sanitize your home. But unfortunately, when you dig deeper, you would realize that most of them are using a bleach or hydrogen peroxide. If you do a little research on bleach and hydrogen peroxide, you would realize that it's a highly corrosive, highly inflammable and cancerous substance. But unfortunately, most of the homes or most of the premises that are getting sanitized do not have an understanding of this. And very accidentally or unfortunately, they call up such sanitization service providers who do a very shoddy job. And very importantly, अगर आप YouTube पर जाकर Google करेंगे and you will search for sanitization videos, तो आपको इंडिया में बहुत जगह से ऐसे videos मिलेंगे जहां पर you will see that an entire building caught fire because they called the local sanitization service and the guy used hydrogen peroxide or bleach, which was highly inflammable, and as a result of poor management, the entire building caught fire. YouTube is full of such videos. All you have to do is go onto YouTube and search for sanitization videos, and you will see a lot of videos where it is shown that houses caught fire, salon caught fire because of the use of hydrogen peroxide. The chemical that we are using is an aldehyde compound, which is chemically stable, which is not inorganic, and very importantly, it is not harmful to your skin and does not lead to any diseases. Apart from this, ChemDry is the only cleaning brand in the world which actually runs a full-fledged ChemDry university. And this is exclusive to the franchisees. So the content that you have on ChemDry University, this has been developed in collaboration with universities like Harvard and Stanford, where they are covering everything related to cleaning, right from the basics to the most advanced form of cleaning. And you can literally say that this is the Bible, Gita, or Quran of the cleaning industry. But fortunately, only ChemDry partners have access to this university, and this is a free of cost access. So if somebody wants to get a subscription to the ChemDry University, download the hundreds of videos that are present, download the training modules that are present, or even attend the live webinars that keep happening on the ChemDry University, they have to be a ChemDry franchisee. Otherwise, you can't get access to this particular university. Now, this is the overall summary of the important facts regarding ChemDry. So if you look at ChemDry today, they have more than 5,500 franchisees across 60 countries of the world. Every day, ChemDry is deep cleaning 15,000 homes or more than that on a per day basis. There's a huge cross-reference business that also happens globally. So what I mean by this is that, for example, and I'll give you a very recent example. So we have a franchise partner in Netherlands, and they have the exclusive sanitization and disinfection rights for the Netherlands Airlines, which is the KLM Airlines. And when KLM Airlines in India requested a similar service from ChemDry, they got a reference from ChemDry Netherlands that they're already doing the job for KLM in Netherlands, and hence KLM Airlines can also reach out to ChemDry in India. We got that contract, and this contract over a period of 2 months gave us a billing of 95,000 rupees. So a lot of cross-referencing also happens where international ChemDry franchisees refer businesses to India franchisees and vice versa. ChemDry has been franchising for more than 40 years. So they very well understand what franchising entails, the kind of challenges that we would face, and they keep developing solutions to these problems. They are the leaders and the pioneers when it comes to environmentally friendly and green cleaning. The most important part, and this is a very, very high average. So if you look at the industry average, a typical franchisee stays in the ChemDry system for 19 years. If you look at the global average, it is 7 years. So ChemDry currently is almost 3 times as desirable for a repeat franchisee as any other brand in the world. At the same time, because we are present in 60 countries, we are also covering 5 continents, and hence there is a huge opportunity to learn from each other. Now, very importantly, ChemDry is the only cleaning brand in the top 20 franchise brands of the world. So this means that ChemDry is almost as franchisable and almost as attractive as a McDonald's, a Burger King, a Baskin-Robbins, a 7-Eleven, or a Remax. Very importantly, since it is a part of the world's largest cleaning conglomerate, which is the Belfor Group, so there's a lot of promotion, a lot of branding that keeps happening globally, and every franchisee of ChemDry across the world gets advantage of this global branding. Now we'll talk about the very important part, which is the franchise formats. And these are the franchise formats, particularly for India. So when we talk about India, what we have done is we have created 2 franchise formats. The first format, which is, I would say, tailor-made for small town India. तो जहां पर हम tier 2 cities या छोटे शहरों की बात करते हैं, वहां पर I would strongly recommend that you start with a ChemDry Light franchisee. So ChemDry Light franchisee is a lower investment, lower return model, jahan par your total investment is only about 6 lakh rupees. You would not be able to offer the entire gamut of services that ChemDry Pro offers. So something as simple as aap commercial cleaning, जो बड़े-बड़े offices होते हैं, बड़े-बड़े corporates होते हैं, आपके stadiums हो गए, आपके malls हो गए, उनकी cleaning नहीं कर सकते हैं given the limited number of equipments that you will have. But you can always go ahead and do carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, home deep cleaning, छोटे-छोटे restaurants हो गए, उनकी cleaning करना, salons की cleaning करना, and of course, you will be able to offer complete sanitization and disinfection. So this model would work better in smaller cities, छोटे शहरों में, and you will have the opportunity. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने start किया ChemDry Light से, and suddenly you feel that there is a bigger opportunity, आपके एरिया में स्टेडियम्स एंड मॉल्स वगैरह हैं जहां पर you feel that you will be able to crack a good deal with them, then you can also upgrade yourself to ChemDry Pro. ChemDry Pro is the more advanced model, which I would recommend for the tier 1 cities and metro cities of India, where you have an abundance of commercial buildings. So something like a mall or a stadium or a university, you can also carry out their deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, and upholstery cleaning. And hence this would be a good fit for tier 1 cities. Higher investment, higher return. You would be able to offer all possible cleaning services that are required in this world. And if you look at the model, you can still recover your total investment of 16 lakhs in about 18 months. This is a quick comparison between ChemDry Light and ChemDry Pro. There are certain features or certain services that you would be able to offer in both the businesses. So services like sanitization, home deep cleaning, sofa and chair cleaning, PURT, which is the pet urine removal technology, ये दोनों में common होंगे. So these services you can go ahead and offer regardless of whether you're operating in a tier 2 town like Jamshedpur or you're operating in a tier 1 city like Delhi. But apart from this, there are certain technology and certain access which are unique to the ChemDry Pro model. So something like the hydrocarbon extraction machine or the HCE machine, which is very useful when it comes to deep cleaning very large surfaces or when it comes to deep cleaning large carpets. So typically, jab aap, as an example, if you go to the DLF Cyber Hub in Gurgaon, you will see that jitne bhi offices hain, bade offices like KPMG, Deloitte, etc., unke pure floors carpeted hote hain. So you're talking about 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 square feet of carpet, which needs to be deep cleaned. Wahan par the HC technology is unique. No other machine exists that can deep clean such a large area in less than 48 hours. So this becomes a very useful technology and a very useful equipment for large cities where your corporate clients would be there. इसके अलावा जो ChemDry University का access है, for the ChemDry Light franchisee, because you're offering very limited services compared to the ChemDry Pro franchisee, आपका access भी limited होगा. So you would only have access to that part of the university which is relevant to your business. For ChemDry Pro, you will have complete access to the ChemDry University. आप सारे videos देख सकते हो, सारा literature download कर सकते हो, सारे webinars attend कर सकते हो, so that you get a complete and comprehensive understanding of what surface cleaning exactly means. Now, this is a very big advantage. So talk about any business today, any franchise business, because you guys are present here on the platform. You're listening to me talking about a franchise model. So I'm very sure that you are very conscious and curious about franchise businesses. Now, when you talk about franchise businesses, the sectors that commonly come to your mind is food and beverages, salons, gyms, preschools, laundry. You would realize that ये जितने भी format हैं, they require you to have a real estate. आपके पास एक store होना चाहिए, whether you own it or whether you rent it, it's completely up to you. But you have to have a store. Store होने का मतलब है you have to pay your rent, you have to pay your electricity bill, you have to pay your water bill. These three become your expenses from day one, the moment you start a store-based business. ChemDry does not require a store. आपको किसी भी तरह के store को buy out करने या rent out करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is a man and van model. You will have a van. You will have all the equipment, all the chemicals inside this van. Your team of 4 people or 5 people would be sitting inside this van, and they will be moving from one location to another depending on wherever the demand is coming from. So your rent is always going to be zero. Your utilities bill, which is electricity bill and water bill, is also going to be zero. Because you don't have a store, तो store बनाने का कोई खर्चा नहीं है. So your cost in setting up a store is also zero. So these three major costs that are very common with any store business or retail business become zero from day one. Apart from this is a very straightforward business. The day you decide that you want to start a ChemDry franchisee, we can actually make you go live the next day itself, because we have trained manpower, we have the equipment, we have the chemicals. On last but not the least, very importantly, there is no competition. So when you look at what is happening in and around you, you will see that there are only local players. There is no international player, there is no national player that is offering all these kinds of services. And that's why you have a very strong edge. Very importantly, all the technology, all the chemicals, all the equipment are patented, and hence market में कोई भी ऐसा player नहीं होगा जिनके पास ChemDry के equipments या ChemDry के chemicals का access होगा, until and unless they're a franchisee of ChemDry. This is the ChemDry Lite model. So this is the overall breakup. About 3 lakhs is going to be your investment in the equipment, accessories, chemicals, and uniform. Franchise fee would be another 3 lakh rupees. Tenure of agreement would be 3 years. आपको एक 2-wheeler की जरूरत होगी. So you will need something like a scooty or a bike on which the team, the 2-member team, can carry the equipment and chemicals and move from one place to another. And the nature of agreement would be exclusive. So we will be giving you certain PIN codes in your city. For a larger city, we would have the rights to appoint multiple franchisees. So you will be getting the rights to certain PIN codes. For a smaller city, we will give you the rights for the entire city. The entire investment, we expect you to recover your entire investment of 6 lakh rupees in less than 12 months. We have already seen this happening with multiple franchise partners, and hence we are fairly confident that you should be able to recover your investment in less than 12 months. Focus will be on B2C. Like I said before, in this particular model, since the model machines are not very large, आपका main focus होगा on households, smaller salons and restaurants, but large-sized commercial premises would not be able to handle with this setup. There is zero competition and the training is world-class. Both these points have been covered in the previous slides. Now, when we talk about the ChemDry Pro, now this is the complete comprehensive model which we are offering specially for the tier 1 cities and metro cities of India. Here you will have a much higher investment on the equipment, accessories, chemicals, and uniform. The main difference is in terms of the equipment. You will also get the patented HCE cleaner, which can actually deep clean any and every kind of premises. चाहे वो एक छोटा सा घर हो या एक बड़ा सा mall या उससे बड़ा stadium, you can actually deep clean and sanitize it with the HCE equipment that we have. The franchise fee is 5 lakh rupees. The tenure of agreement would be 6 years, and you will need a 1 4-wheeler here. So something like a Maruti Eco is what you require to run a ChemDry Pro franchisee. And again, the nature of agreement would be exclusive. आपको हम कुछ pin codes का rights देंगे, and in those pin codes only you would be able to service any kind of request that is coming. इस business में B2B and B2C दोनों होगा. So B2C will be again a very important business where you have very high margins. So here I mean your households, your smaller restaurants and smaller salons. ये तो focus areas होंगे, but you will also work with us on deep cleaning and sanitizing large premises. So something like a 10,000 square feet office or a stadium or a mall. Again, zero competition, and the training I've already talked about is world class. As a ChemDry franchisee, what do we expect? So as a ChemDry franchisee, you are the champion of your local area. हम आपको कुछ particular pin codes का right देंगे. For a larger city, for a smaller city, you will get the rights for the entire city, and you will have to work on building an awareness for ChemDry in the pin codes that have been allocated to you. Our marketing team will guide you. Our marketing team will provide you with the designs, but the local level marketing, जैसे कि newspaper inserts हो गया, या हमारी टीम के साथ जाकर corporate offices में presentation देना, stadiums को reach out करना, salons को reach out करना, there you will have to work very closely with our team. Branding, marketing, and public relations you will have to build locally. While we will be doing it at a country level, we will be promoting, we will be branding ChemDry. We would also expect a similar effort from you on the ground level. So joining local WhatsApp group, joining local Facebook groups, promoting your brand there, making sure that people get to know about your brand is going to be something where you will have to take the lead. And obviously the entire business is about customer delight. अगर एक यूनिवर्सिटी आपसे हैप्पी है तो 6 महीने बाद आपको वापस बुलाएगी. अगर आपने एक मॉल की अच्छी से डीप क्लीनिंग करी तो रेस्ट एश्योर्ड दैट मॉल विल ऑलवेज कीप कमिंग बैक टू यू. या अगर आपने एक घर की दिवाली के टाइम पे अच्छी सी डीप क्लीनिंग कर दी, या you have done a good job of carpet cleaning and sofa cleaning, they will invite you every time during Diwali, every time during Holi, to make sure that you are sanitizing their home, you are cleaning their carpet, you are cleaning their sofa. So customer delight is very important because the same customer will definitely call you again and again. Now, this is the support that we would be extending, and this is why you should be looking at joining a ChemDry franchisee. One, like I said before, this business has very low fixed cost. आपका rental zero है, आपकी electricity की bill zero है, आपका water का bill zero है. So your only fixed expense is the manpower cost. When I talk about the ChemDry Lite model, you just need a 2-member team, and hence your salary expenses would be roughly about 30,000 per month. For the ChemDry Pro, this would be about 60,000 per month, and that's it. इसके अलावा जो भी खर्चा होगा, whatever expenses you will incur, that will be purely dependent on the sales that you are generating. ChemDry is very, very focused on innovation. And as I've already shared, they currently own 36 trademarks, 36 patents, and 13 trademarks, which shows how much innovation they do. In fact, the technology, the PET urine removal technology, which I covered during the initial part of the presentation, that is something they took a patent only 1 year back. So ChemDry team keeps doing something new, keeps focusing a lot on research and development, and make sure that they are patented so that they are only available to ChemDry franchisees. We will be providing you a very dedicated support network. So whether you talk about a local marketing team or a digital marketing team or a centralized call center number, these support would be extended to you free of cost. We would only expect you to work locally, promote in your local market, spend in your local marketing, and very importantly, make sure that your customers are always delighted. There's a huge earning potential. So like I said, we will be giving you exclusive rights to certain pin codes. And once you realize कि आपके एक vehicle और एक team की capacity saturate हो गई है, and you're still getting a lot more business from that pin code, you have the rights to introduce as many vehicles, as many crew members, and as many equipment and chemicals as you want in that particular area, in those particular pin codes, to ensure that you're servicing every possible client that is there. That is why it's also very easy to expand. You don't have to rent out more area because इसमें area की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So that is also a beauty, that the only thing that you need to do once you realize that you have reached your potential and there is still more demand in the market is that you have to invest in a van, you have to invest in new equipment, you have to invest in a crew. We will train them, we will enable them, and they will be able to cater to any new business in the neighborhood. And obviously there is no competition, and hence we have a very strong competitive edge. This is the reason why you should further invest in ChemDry. We are the industry leaders in innovation. A lot of proprietary and trademarked cleaning technology, equipment, and know-how is there. There is continuous training program, continuous certifications that we do. So very importantly, we also do certifications. So your team members would be requested and required to enroll to the ChemDry University, undergo the training program. There are constant tests that are being conducted. And if they qualify on certain tests, they also get certificates. And these certificates are universally recognized. So ChemDry as a brand also has the rights to offer certificates that are recognized by the authorities, both in the US as well as in India. We will also be helping you digitally. There is a very proven track record. So more than 5,500 franchisees and an average duration of 19 years speaks volumes itself. Very limited operating expenses because it's a man and band model. These are our existing corporate clients in India. So I'm not even talking about our global corporate clients because that list is endless. They are present in 60 countries of the world. And hence there are lots and lots of corporate clients that ChemDry caters to. But in India, if you look at it, we are working with budget hotels. We are working with five-star hotels. We are working with schools, preschools, restaurants, offices. We have banks, so we are working with them all, and we are helping them in many ways in terms of cleaning and sanitization. Now, these are just some examples. I'll very quickly walk through these slides to help you understand the effect of ChemDry, and I'll show you some surfaces before they were ChemDry cleaned and after they were ChemDry cleaned. So this is an example of a new house that we took over in Gurgaon. So there was, so this is basically one of the apartments of Tata Premanti. And there are these apartments that are coming up in Gurgaon. And this is a handover cleaning. So before Tata Premanti handed over the apartment to their customer, this was the shape of the floor. And then when ChemDry team came in and did the deep cleaning of this entire floor, this is the after effect. And we did this job in less than 35 minutes. Now, this is the second one. This is your typical mattress or doormats that you see at home. This was for one of our clients in Guwahati. And this is the situation of the doormat before it was ChemDried. And this is the situation after it was ChemDried. Now, this is another example. Here, I would like you to notice the grouts. So, jo lining aap dekh rahe hain on the tiles, the black colored lining, this is from one of our clients in Chennai. So the lining that you're seeing between the tiles, look at how dirty they were before they were ChemDried. And now look at how clean they have become after they have been ChemDried. In fact, you would have been led to believe that shayad ye tiles ke beech ka space hamesha se black hota hoga, but that's not the case. It is actually white, and the customer only noticed it after ChemDry had carried out the comprehensive deep cleaning of these grouts. The last example is, this is again a startup. This is a startup based in Noida, and they had rented out a very large apartment in Noida, in Sector 15 Noida in particular, where they were moving in and setting up their office inside that apartment. So before moving in, they wanted us to come in and completely clean their upholstery using our patented HC technology. So you see the result before. This was, I think, about 4,000 square feet of carpet. So just see the result before the cleaning and after the cleaning. And we were able to do this job in one day and a billing of 20,000 rupees. So these are just some examples of the kind of deep cleaning and the quality of deep cleaning that ChemDry can achieve. And before I conclude my presentation and throw open the floor to questions, I'll just like to play a video which will talk about the global vision of ChemDry and some testimonials from their existing franchisees. So that's it from my side. Open to take up any questions. I see quite a few of them, so happy to take them up one by one.
So thank you so much, Arnav, for the wonderful session, and let us congratulate you for the work you are doing in this particular vertical. We do have so many queries for you. But since we started the presentation with Uclean, and the first query which we got is for Uclean. So I have with me Mr. Puneet, who wants to understand when you say that Uclean is India's largest laundry chain. Do we do calculation as per the number of clothes we clean or number of outlets? So very interesting question for you. So how you say that you are the largest laundry chain?
Sure. So when we say we are the largest laundry chain in India, it is a combination of all these factors put together. So obviously, one is the geographical footprint in terms of the number of cities that we are present in. It is also in terms of the number of outlets that we have across the country, which is more than 250 outlets. And also in terms of the number of clothes that we are able to clean between all these outlets put together. So it's a combination of all these factors. And I would say one led to the another.
Sure. So thank you so much. Now we'll move to the questions related to ChemDry. We have our viewer, Mr. Amit, who wants to understand. So I club his all the queries because he has asked so many questions. So first is how many number of staffs required for ChemDry, and how much volume of the business you require to perform a particular in a year. What will be the volume of the business you require?
Sure. So when we talk about the staff, since I talked about two different models, when you talk about the ChemDry Light model, there you need a 2-member team, and you would need one scooty or one bike on which this 2-member team can move around. When you talk about the larger model, which is the ChemDry Pro, where you're talking about the heavier equipments, there you would need a Maruti Eco kind of a van, and you would have a 4-member team that would be sitting inside this van and moving around from one location to another. Now I'll talk about the second part, where we are talking about the volume of business that we need to perform in a year. And let me talk about a situation where we are looking at generating a per month profit of anywhere between 1 lakh to 1.2, 1.3 lakhs on a per month basis. And this is the profitability that I'm talking about, not the sales. You would realize that the business of ChemDry, because it does not require you to rent out or own a real estate space, so your margins are very high. So typically ChemDry operates on a margin of 50%. So for a unit that is doing sales of say about 2 lakh to 2.5 lakh rupees on a per month basis, your profit would be as high as 1 to 1.2, 1.3 lakh rupees per month. To be able to do this, you're talking about generating anywhere between 7 to 8,000 rupees on a per day basis. To achieve that, you would need about 3 jobs on a per day basis. So this could be one, say a 5-seater sofa that you need to clean at one particular location. One could be say 100 square feet carpet that you need to clean at another location, and say a deep cleaning of a 1-bedroom house. And your 4-member team, which is inside the van, can easily accomplish this job within 1 day. So with this, if you have a frequency where you're doing one 5-seater sofa, one carpet, and one deep cleaning of a 1-bedroom house on a given day, you would be doing sales of anywhere between 7 to 8,000 rupees on a per day basis. And at the end of the month, you should be able to make a profit of 1 lakh rupees. One thing that I would like to really point out, and I did not stress upon initially, is that this business does not require very high involvement, because at the end of the day, it is the 4-member team or the 2-member team that will be moving around from one place to another, executing the job. So as a franchise partner, this can be a very interesting side business opportunity, because you cannot yourself go to these houses or carry out these deep cleaning jobs. So this job would not require 100% attention or 100% involvement from any franchise partner. You could be working with a corporate, you could be running your own startup, you could be running your own business, and you can use this as a side venture. The only thing that we would require is that you need to be attached to your team. You need to constantly speak to them, motivate them, and make sure that they're executing the job on time. And very importantly, since you are only doing 3 to 4 jobs on a per day basis, I would also very strongly recommend that the franchise partners also speak to each and every customer on a daily basis. So if I'm doing only 4 jobs today, it would hardly take me 15 to 20 minutes to connect with these 4 customers and gather their feedback.
Sure, very valid point that gathering the feedback from investors is very important for any business. Now, Arnab, definitely you understand that we have competition in this market. So would you like to answer that how Chemdry is different from any of the competition, be it Urban Clap or any other competition?
Sure. Sure. There are a lot of questions also coming up, so I'll also like to take.
Yeah, you want to take from there, we can take it.
Yeah, I'll take it up. But first, I'll answer your question regarding competition, and especially because you mentioned Urban Company. So I'll like to first address that. So as we all know, Urban Company is one of the largest companies in the world right now when it comes to offering various kinds of cleaning services. But it is also important for you to understand the modus operandi of Urban Company. So Urban Company is not a service doer. Urban Company is basically an aggregator. They aggregate a lot of service providers on their website, and then they pass on different jobs to these service providers. So Urban Company doesn't have a cleaning team of their own. What they have done is they have aggregated a lot of local service providers, and wherever there is a request, the lead goes to one of these service providers. So in fact, we also have an opportunity. We also work with Urban Clap, but we work on a very selective basis. We do not do the smaller jobs with them. And whenever there's a larger job, in fact, their team also reaches out to us and we are able to execute it. So in that sense, Urban Company is actually not a competition. They are a partner. Now, when you talk about the local competition, like I mentioned during the initial part of the presentation, a lot of the local competition is very unorganized, very local in nature, and does not have access to the right kind of equipment or the chemicals or the know-how. And the very common example is your upholstery cleaner or the carpet cleaner that you generally ask him to come down to your home around the time of festivals. And you would realize that he uses a lot of water. And once he has carried out the carpet cleaning or sofa cleaning, he would typically ask you to not use it for the next 24 to 48 hours. In our case, because we are using a patented technology, so the entire sofa or the carpet dries up in less than 2 hours and becomes fit to use immediately. And hence it also ensures that there is no allergen or bacteria retention that is happening on the carpet and sofa. So that becomes a very big differentiator, especially when you talk about the corporates and the large sized institutional clients. You would see that they are also looking at credible service providers. So I'll give you a simple example. We are doing the deep cleaning for guest houses of Amazon. And Amazon also had the option to look at local vendors. But because it is an American company, there was a mandate from their global head office to only look at credible vendors and credible partners. And fortunately, Chemdry was the only option available for them.
Sure. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to take a very important question. You spoke about your association with some big chains. So we have Mr. Kumar who wants to understand that will you provide the tie-ups with these major service takers or associations? How it will work?
Sure. So the answer to that is it has to be a combination of effort. You as a franchise partner would also have to invest your time and energy in tying up with these larger sized corporate chains or larger sized hotels. A lot of these contracts would be centralized. So for example, we work with Trebo Hotels on a central level, wherein wherever we get an opportunity in any city, the requisite Chemdry franchise partner goes ahead and executes the job. So in that sense, whatever contracts are central, those would be automatically passed on to the relevant franchise partner. But in case if there is a corporate opportunity or a large sized institutional opportunity in your PIN code, our team will guide you, our team will provide you with the presentations. In fact, our team would also travel along with you for these meetings, but we would also be expecting you to fix up these meetings.
Sure, sure. So next query which I want to take is from Puneet. So he wants to understand that you typically talk about the investment. Does it include the investment in van also? How it works?
Yeah, so while I did not, what we have done is we have taken the calculate. I'll share the Excel also. So what we have done is we have calculated that you would be buying a van on an installment basis, where we have taken that you would be doing an upfront payment of 1 lakh rupees. and then rest everything would be on an installment basis. So the profit and loss statement that we would be sharing with you, the detailed financial analysis, also takes care of the initial investment of the van and the installations that you would be paying on a month-on-month basis, which would be roughly around 15,000 per month.
Sure.
One question I'll like to take up, and this is very important. So we understand that as franchise partners, a lot of you would find it difficult to recruit blue-collared manpower on your own. And this is a job which actually requires blue-collared manpower, people who are willing to sweat it out, work for 8 to 10 hours every day. And we understand that it is not easy to recruit and source such people. So that is why the responsibility of recruitment and training would be completely taken by us. In fact, in case there is an attrition, we also take the responsibility of finding the replacement and training them on ChemDrive methodology. And very importantly, this does not come at any cost. So this is free of cost, and we will continue to help with manpower recruitment and training for as long as you're a franchisee in the system.
Sure. So, Arnab, you want to take any further queries? Otherwise, I'll ask, because we got a couple of queries for you.
Yeah. So one is around what happens after the tenure of the agreement is over. Do we have to pay a franchise fee? Yes. Once the tenure of the agreement is over, regardless of whether you took the ChemDrive Lite or the ChemDrive Pro model, you will have to pay the franchise fee, which will be 50% of what you are paying today. So for ChemDrive Lite, the renewal franchise fee will be 1.5 lakhs plus GST. And for ChemDrive Pro, it is going to be 3 lakh plus GST. And the agreement will be renewed for another 3 years or 6 years, depending on the model that you have opted for. One question which I did not address is, yes, we also offer complete car wash, both the outer and the inner. And this is a very mobile technology. So as a customer, any customer can call us to their premise, and we can completely dry clean their car, both from inside as well as outside, using our proprietary technology in their garage itself. So one question is around business guarantee and the guarantee of number of leads. So this is a business at the end of the day. Like I said before, this is a franchise invested, franchise operated model. So we also expect that you as a franchise partner would be doing a lot of aggressive promotions locally, whether it is distributing pamphlets or newspaper inserts, or whether it is joining your local Facebook groups, local WhatsApp group, and promoting the brand and its services. So there's no guarantee per se in terms of the number of leads. The only commitment that we are going to give you is that if there is any lead that is originating in your PIN code, regardless of the source it is coming from, it would be considered your lead, and only you would have the rights to service that lead. Now, that said, I would also like to point out one more thing. If you look at this business, whether you talk about carpet cleaning or sofa cleaning or deep cleaning, or say something like a car wash, you would also realize that this is a lead that needs to be fulfilled on the same day. So if I need my car wash today, maybe you can convince me to get it washed tomorrow, but you will not be able to convince me to get it washed next week. So as an example, as a franchise partner, you have your Saturday and Sunday absolutely chock and block, absolutely full. And suddenly there is a car cleaning requirement for an MG Hector from your territory, and you're not able to service it, and the customer is not prepared to give you an extension, then we would pass on the lead to the closest franchisee. So in the sense that, say you are in Noida and there is another franchisee in another PIN code in Noida, you are not able to execute a job on a given day, and the other franchisee has a bandwidth, the lead would be serviced by that franchisee, and the revenue would be counted as that franchisee's revenue.
Sure. So Arnab, we have a very important question from Silva. Is this business required a trade license, GST number, or any other official documents? So what's your thought on it?
Sure. So this business does not require any trade license. The reason for that is because this business does not require a storefront. So no shop and establishment license, no trade license required as such. You have to have GST because the customer would ask for a GST billing, and all the billing will be done electronically. We have our own software. So you would be sending electronic invoices to the customer directly to their email ID, and as well as to their WhatsApp. So GST requirement is mandatory and registration as a business is also mandatory. Very quickly, the car wash is also included in the light model. So both the light model as well as the pro model also include car wash.
Sure. So you spoke about very important point about the feedback from the investor, right? In the same line, I want to understand that suppose, for example, during the feedback, we got to know that my investor is not happy with the quality or the damage issue. How you address that? How you help the investor in that particular scenario?
Sure. So whenever we go to a particular premise, whether it is a household, whether it is an institution, what we do is we do what we call pilot sampling. By pilot sampling, what I mean is, let's take an example of cleaning a carpet. So before we start the job of cleaning a carpet, what our team does is they would take the corner of the carpet and do the cleaning over there. They would show the results to the customer. Only if the customer is comfortable, only if the customer gives the go ahead, then only the team will go and execute the entire job. And you will be surprised. When you look at households and look at your home today, you would see that many a times you do not even realize that the current color of your sofa is not the actual color of your sofa. Over a period of time, there is so much dust that has accumulated that the color of the sofa actually changes drastically, and customers start believing that this is the actual color of their sofa. So that is why when we do a sofa job or a carpet job or even a tile cleaning job, we will clearly show them that this is the color that the sofa or the carpet will get after the entire job is completed, so that the customer doesn't feel that decoloration has happened. So that is the first part. We make sure that we do a sampling before we execute the entire job. The second part is that, say, despite taking all precautions, a customer is not happy, he wants a rejob, we also do that. There are many cases where we have in the past done a complete rejob for the customer and we have not charged a penny extra. But I would say the number of such incidences would be few and far between.
Sure. Any other query you want to take? Otherwise, I'll take. I have two queries for you.
I think a lot of people are asking about the charges. How do we charge the customer? So obviously, there are different kinds of services that we are offering. And I already showed you the list is almost 25 to 30 services that we are currently offering. But to talk about the more common examples, sofa cleaning starts from 200 rupees per chair. And then depending on the quality of the chair and the kind of chair that is there, the charges could go up. Carpet cleaning, depending on the size of the carpet, would typically start from 20 to 25 rupees per square feet. And if the carpet is very large, something that you would typically find in corporate offices or five-star hotels, the charges could also go down to 5 rupees per square feet. When you talk about deep cleaning, there are two formats. One is where we charge depending on the kind of apartment that is there. So for example, a one-bedroom house would be 2,999 deep cleaning. A two-bedroom house would be 4,999, and so on and so forth. When we talk about offices or corporate areas or stadiums, which are very large area, the deep cleaning rate could be as low as 3 to 4 rupees per square feet. Yeah, Archana. So sure. I have given an indication and we can obviously talk one-on-one to explain all the charges in details. Yeah.
And Arnab, I want to understand, since we have mentioned that you are the master franchise for India, in case somebody wants to take the entire master franchisee rights, how will it work?
So we ourselves, as we said, are the master franchise for entire India. But I'll be happy to share that we already have a sub-master franchise under us in Northeast India. So there is a possibility we can work out a deal structure both with the brand as well as with the investor to figure out a sub-master franchise model. Obviously, the investment would be significantly higher compared to taking up a single unit. But more importantly, we would need a partner who is from that particular territory, has a good understanding of that territory, and is well networked in the territory. Because if you decide to take the master franchise for, say, Andhra Pradesh, you become a sub-master under us as the master franchise for India. So we would need somebody who has a network in Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Guntur, somebody who can travel between these cities, develop the brand, reach out to prospective investors, and work with us on bringing them on board as sub-franchisees. So this is absolutely important. You have to be from the area, you have to be well entrenched in the area, and you have. And if there is someone who is genuinely interested in a sub-master franchise under us as the master, we can do a one-on-one discussion with them.
Sure. Arnab, any query you want to take from audience? Otherwise, I'll take my last query. And Mr. Gupta, you want to have direct call with Arnab? We'll try to set up the call maybe today or tomorrow based upon his availability. Any query, Arnab, you want to take? Otherwise, I'll take my last query. So you understand this is a difficult time. Pandemic is difficult for everyone. What is your suggestion, feedback on taking a ChemDry? Is that a good franchise model we want to take in pandemic time?
Sure. So I'm sure we are all noticing what is happening in the last 1.5 years. And unfortunately, this is something that will continue to stay. We all know that we are talking about the Delta variant, the third wave, which is coming in. So by the time we are able to fully conquer and eradicate COVID-19 from India, it would take a lot more time. So one thing that has happened because of COVID-19 is that suddenly people have become very conscious and people have become very aware about cleanliness and sanitization. People have started realizing that cleanliness and sanitization are the two biggest weapons when it comes to fighting a pathogen like COVID-19. And fortunately, ChemDry, because they have a very strong history and they have been working on sanitization and disinfection for more than 25 years now, they have the right equipment and the right chemicals in their arsenal to deal with COVID-19 or any of its variants. And that is what we are seeing. We are seeing a lot of demand coming from both B2B and B2C in the last 1 year for cleaning and sanitization services. And hence, I believe that there cannot be a better time to invest in ChemDry. I'll just talk about one very relevant example. And I'll talk about a very large-sized budget hotel in Paharganj. It is the largest budget hotel in Paharganj, and which is a part of Delhi. And in the last 1.5 years, obviously, their business has taken a huge dent. The sales have gone down because people are not traveling. And if you know Paharganj, you would realize that Paharganj has more than 500 budget hotels within 1 square kilometer. So as a result of which the competition becomes even tougher. And suddenly they realize that the customers no longer are worried about pricing. The competition was always there. Pricing used to be the biggest factor when it came to choosing between hotels, especially for customers who used to come to Paharganj. But after COVID-19, they realized that the biggest challenge is no longer pricing, but rather hygiene and sanitization. So there are very few people who are traveling. And when they're traveling to Paharganj, they want to be really sure that they're going to the hotel which is safe and sanitized. So they reached out to us. In fact, the owner of the hotel wrote to me on LinkedIn and we connected with them. And they said that we are more than happy to give you the job of deep cleaning all our washrooms, plus sanitizing and disinfecting all our premises at a rate which is agreeable to you. But at the end of the job, we would need a certificate from you, specifically saying that all the rooms have been cleaned by ChemDry and all the rooms have been sanitized by ChemDry. And they would be putting these certificates inside all their rooms, as well as they would be also putting up the certificate at their reception and at the entrance, plus on their website, because they know that the moment the customer sees that ChemDry is cleaning and sanitizing their premises, they will suddenly become very comfortable. They will suddenly become very confident that they're entering the right premises. This has also happened with the preschool, one of the largest preschool chains in India. And when you go to that preschool, you would see that all their principals' offices proudly flaunts that this entire school is cleaned and sanitized by ChemDry. So it is there outside their washrooms, right behind the principal's office. You will see it everywhere. So a lot of B2B businesses in particular also are reaching out organically to us, requesting us to help them clean their premises, help them sanitize their premises, but very importantly, asking for a certificate, because that certificate becomes a confidence builder for their end customer. So there cannot be a better time to enter a cleaning business, and there cannot be a better time to invest in a business like ChemDry.
Sure. So thank you so much, Arnab, for joining us today. But before we close, your final remarks, your closing remarks for all of us.
So my only closing remarks would be, like I said before, The timing cannot be more opportune. A lot of businesses, a lot of households have started realizing the importance of cleanliness and sanitization. We also took a conscious decision in 2019 to partner with ChemDry when we were receiving a feedback from all our Uclean franchise partners across India that their customers were demanding services like deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, and sanitization. And basis what has happened in the last 1.5 years, we are really proud of the decision that we have taken. Hence, we would love to collaborate with passionate entrepreneurs who believe in the cleaning industry, who understand the power of a brand like ChemDry, and who are willing to work very closely with us in building the ChemDry business in their own pin codes. So that's it. Thank you so much from my side.
So thank you so much, Arnav, for joining in. And Arnav, based upon your calendar and your availability, we would like to set up specifically 2 calls with you. One, we got query from Mr. Gupta, and second from Puneet. So Mr. Gupta and Puneet will definitely try to align your call maybe today or tomorrow with Mr. Arnav, where they wants to have a direct connect with you. All the dear friends, thank you so much for joining us today. It was a great session. We got so many queries. Many are answered. If unanswered, our team will definitely be in touch with you. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. Also join us at different social handles. We are available at Facebook page, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. You wish to join management team of Franchise India, please do connect with them at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on your screen. And we wish you to join us for our Bharat Franchise Show, which will start at 7 p.m. today. Today, we are celebrating 28th day of this show, and we will be in Bhubaneswar city, where again, we have invited top 5 business opportunities as well as owners so that they can come and talk about their business model. To do registration, you can either reach out to us at our business hotline number or at the Facebook page. The registration is free for you. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity with Chai 12 p.m. webinar, we would like to invite you for Genesis to Me. That's the brand we are bringing for you, where team would come and talk about this business opportunity for each one of you. Thank you once again for joining me today. Have a safe day. Thank you so much, Arnav, for sparing time. Safe day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Take care. Take care.